The cuisine of Lucknow is known for its nazakat, which means elegance, and nafasat, which means refinement. And Shahi Tukra, which is royal in every sense of the term, is a tribute to the nazakat and nafasat of Lucknow. However, this royal dessert has a mysterious origin. Some say that it descends from the Middle Eastern bread pudding known as palace bread and the Egyptian umali, while others claim that it was a Mughal take on the British bread pudding brought by the officers of East India Company in the 17th century. Shahi Tukra is often confused and related with its Hyderabadi counterpart known as double ka meetha. Though there are several stories about the origin of this dish, most promising one claimed that Shahi Tukra was earlier known as balai ka tukra and was made with fried, layered, clotted cream known as balai. Another food historian claims that it was made with sheermal, which is a locally available sweet bread of Lucknow, instead of the fried bread which we use now. While what it may have originally been, but this exotic dish of the royals can be made very easily at the comfort of your home. To prepare this dish, we require the following ingredients. We will use white bread. We'll cut off the edges of the bread and slice them into half. For making the rabri, we are using 1 liter of full fat milk. We will let the milk simmer on low to medium flame. Once the milk starts boiling, we'll add our mawa or khoya, which is dried evaporated milk solids. We will add the khoya in 2 parts as it will be easier to mix it with the milk. Once the khoya dissolves in the milk, we will add 4 to 5 green cardamoms or elaichi. You can also use elaichi powder. Next, we'll add our sugar. For 1 liter of milk, I have used 75 grams of sugar. Next, I'll add my chopped dry fruits. I have reserved 1/3 of it for garnishing. We'll continuously keep stirring the rabri till it has thickened and reduced to 1/3. Once the rabri has reached the required consistency, it coats the back of your ladle. Once the rabri is ready, we'll put off our flame and we'll add the kyora water. This is an optional step, but if you want it to taste like the Shahi Tukra as it is found in Lucknow, you can't skip this step. Next, we'll fry up our bread pieces in ghee or clarified butter. We will fry up our bread pieces on medium heat till they become golden brown. Now comes the plating. We line up our plate with the fried bread pieces and pour the rabri on top of it. We'll garnish it with some chopped dried nuts. We have to freeze it for 1 hour to 1 hour 45 minutes before it is ready to be served. Hello everybody, I hope you like our content. Please do share your feedback in the comment section below. The music for this video was composed by Paridhi Band. We upload a new video every Wednesday, so please do share and subscribe.